Hello again, it's Adam from John's Sports Center with the Sportsman's Minute. This week we'll be discussing some archery outfitting basics, things you to consider before you come in the store. Joining me today is Jess, our head archery bow tech. Jess, tell the audience some basic things they should consider.
Thank you, Adam. We always recommend having a qualified bow tech work with you to ensure proper setup from start to finish. With our depth of inventory, we can take care of anybody from the beginner to the expert. We're always excited to start with a beginner because of the fact that we have what we call grow as you grow bows, super adjustable in draw weight and draw length, can fit just about anybody. Whether you're a national shooter for a school or the avid bow hunter, our huge selection of inventory for accessories to outfit your bow. We also have the area's largest selection of arrows and broadheads. We also make sure before you leave the store that the bow is properly tuned to you.
At John's Sports Center, we're committed to meeting your archery needs. Come see us today for all your archery outfitting needs. Open 7 days a week.